Welcome to Kakasa with EFRIS. My name is Martha Murunji, and in this video, I show you how to get started with EFRIS. In case you missed the first video about the overview, you can find the direct link among other links to subsequent tutorials in the description space below this video. Before you get started, be sure to have your TIN, password, and company logo image. Your company logo image should be less than 5 MB and pixel size 67 by 79. The first step is to log onto the URA portal by typing www.ura.go.ug. On the menu, click the e-invoicing link. Please put your TIN, and password, and click Login. Select your OTP, which is the one-time password delivery method, on the next window. You can choose between receiving it on your email address or SMS. In my case, I choose the SMS. When you select the delivery method, then click Send OTP. Your OTP is case sensitive and be able to differentiate between a digit and an alphabet. Once you put your OTP, click Login. Welcome to your EFRIS account, where a number of widgets are available to you. Under your performance widget, you get a summary of your total number of e-invoices and e-receipts and the total amount of your e-invoices and e-receipts. Your user guides are downloadable documents that you can view offline. Under your frequently asked widgets, you find quick questions that can give you more information about any query you may have. Under your policy widget, you find your regulations and laws. The e-invoicing widget is a quick link to the window where you shall be able to generate your e-receipts and e-invoices, but is only accessible once you have registered to use the system. Click the home widget to go back to your landing page. In the upper right-hand corner, the sitemap widget gives you a summary of all the links and menus that are available to you in your account. Move your mouse over your profile icon and click it to upload the company logo, which shall be embedded on all the e-invoices and e-receipts that you print. Once you have uploaded the company logo picture, please preview it and be sure it is what you want to print, and then submit. Click your home widget to be able to go back to your account page. In the messages widget, you're able to access all the messages in your inbox as well as send a message to URL. In your pending task list widget, you get to see all the tasks that are available that you must accomplish. These tasks relate to your documents, credit notes, cancellation of debit notes, and offline parameters. In the track application status, when you provide the reference number of an application you have made, you're able to track its status. In the fiscal document validation widget, when you include the fiscal document number and the date that it was issued, you're able to validate the document and check for its authenticity. In case a document is invalid, click the Report Non-Compliance link, which takes you to a new window where you can report this non-compliance. On the left-hand side under your registration widget, you're able to find your registration application form. More details of this can be found in the registration tutorial, whose link is available in the description space below. In the fiscal document validation widget, you can find the link to validate your document, more details of which can be found in the video about fiscal document management, whose link is also available in the description space below. In the reports widget, you're able to find various reports, and more details of these can be found in the tutorial about reports management. In your dashboard widget, you're able to find a summary of the receipts and invoices issued as well as your tax statistics, and these details are grouped periodically: daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly. To view a specific period, deselect the other periods by clicking on them. In this case, we are interested in our weekly summary, so we deselect yearly, monthly, and daily. Hover your mouse over the inner segment to get a summary of the number of receipts and invoices that have been issued in that week. Hover your mouse over the outside segment to get the total value of the receipts and invoices issued in that week. Under Statistics type, change your selection to Tax Statistics to get a summary of the value of taxes, for example, value-added tax, excise tax, and other taxes charged to the transactions you have made in that week. To select the tax type that you're interested in, deselect the others. In my case, I am interested in value-added tax. I am able to then see the value-added tax that has been charged to all the transactions that I have made in this week. And finally, when you're finished, hover your mouse over the profile icon on the drop-down menu and click the logout button. I hope this video has helped you learn how to access your account and navigate through the available widgets there. The next tutorial shall cover registration with EFRIS. Be sure to find the link in the description space below this video. In case of any inquiries, don't hesitate to email us or call us using the contacts on your screen.
Uganda Revenue Authority, developing Uganda together.